Susan's heart, a story so true. Nancy's love shining through, caring hands, a gentle grace in every smile, her warm embrace. Oh, family strong and free, bound by love eternally, flying high where angels go, heaven's light begins to glow. Joe's memory forever near, whispered prayers crystal clear, loyal, brave, a guiding star in our hearts, never far. Loving fiercely, forgiving too, supportive as the skies turn blue. Fearless hearts, we carry on with God's love. Our bond is strong. Miss you, Dad, but you're